Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat sound not working. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. So the first thing you can do, you have to open your shelter, and from here if your Bluetooth is turned on, so you have to turn off your Bluetooth. So after turning off your Bluetooth, hope your problem will be fixed. And if you're still facing problem, then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and then turn it on again. You can turn on off your airplane mode and hope it should fix your problem. And if you're still getting the problem, then you have to restart your mobile device, and after restarting your device, hope your problem will be fixed. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. Thanks for watching this video.